अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे कॉल टू आर्म्स एंड द बॉर्डर वॉल्स बाय फ़ारूक़ज़ाद। तो बाय फ़ारूक़ज़ाद। सो इसका भी मैंने एक ही क्वेश्चन बनाया, डिटेल से देखें, आराम से देखें, समझ आ जाएगी। फ़ारूक़ज़ाद was a famous Iranian poet. She became known for writing about women's lives, emotions and rights at the time when most women were expected to stay quiet and follow strict rules. वुमेंस राइटिंग के बारे में यही बताया हुआ है, वीमेंस राइटर्स के बारे में बताया कि कैसे उन्होंने अपने टाइम में फ़ाइट की उन औरतों के लिए जो कि उनको चुप कराया जाता था, जिनको घर रखा जाता था, जिनको बोलने की इजाज़त नहीं थी। वो she talk about those women who were not allowed to take and make their decisions, even they can't go outside alone. So that type of women, about that type of women she writes a lot. Many women's writer writes about a lot. So she was born in January 1935 and died in 13 February 1967. Her poems talks about love, sadness, freedom and the struggle that women face in society. Farooq was brave and wrote honestly, which made her poems very powerful. I think she was died in a car accident. Yeah, she died in a car accident, but her work is still loved and studied all over the world. वन ऑफ़ हर मोस्ट अच्छा, जब भी आप लोग कोई इस तरह की चीज़ सुना करें ना कि किसी का एक्सीडेंट हो गया या फिर किसी को ये बीमारी है, कोई इस तरह की सफरिंग से जो है सफ़र कर रहा है, तो आप लोग ये दुआ लाज़मी पढ़ा करें। इंशाल्लाह जो है वो मुसीबत फिर एक इंसान जो देखता है ना फिर उसमें वो मुब्तला नहीं होता। तो ये दुआ आप लोग लाज़मी पढ़ा करें। मैं लाज़मी पढ़ती हूँ जब भी मुझे याद आए, जब भी मैं किसी की जो है सैड स्टोरी सुनती हूँ या फिर जब मुझे पता चलता है कि इसको इतनी जो है इस बीमारी से ये सफ़र कर रहा है। सो दुआ जो है वो ये है जी। तो मैं दुआ का डिस्कस कर रही थी। सो दुआ ये है जो आप लोग पढ़ सकते हैं। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह इल्लाज़ी आफ़ानी मिम्मब्तला का बिही वफ़द्दलनी अला कसीरन मिम्मन खलक़ तफ़दीला। अगर मैं कहीं पे भी जो है गलत पढ़ रही हूँ तो उसके लिए आई एम सो सॉरी, लेकिन आपने ये दुआ लाज़मी याद करनी है, ठीक है। आप तो गूगल से निकाल सकते हैं, इसलिए निकल जाएगी अगर मेरी समझ नहीं आई। वन ऑफ हर मोस्ट फेमस पोम इज़ कॉल टू आर्म। इन दिस पोइम फारूक इज स्पीकिंग टू ऑल वुमेन एंड feeling them to wake up and speak for themselves. She says that women shouldn't stay silent or live under the control of others. Instead, they should stand up for their freedom, their voice and their dreams. At that time in Iran, women had very few rights, so this poem was very bold. She uses strong words and images to tell women that they are not weak and they can change their lives. This poem feels like a message and hope and strength for all women. नेक्स्ट देखें बॉर्डर वाल। अच्छा, ऊपर वाले ना ये पढ़ लें, ये बॉर्डर वाल जो है पोइम इस चीज़ के बारे में, ठीक है। जो मैंने नीचे लिखा हुआ है वो आई थिंक इससे मैच नहीं कर रहा था, या फिर मैंने जो है गलत रिसोर्सेज उठा लिए थे जिसमें द बॉर्डर वाल अलग ही किस्म की स्टोरी बताई हुई थी। बॉर्डर वाल में जो रियल स्टोरी थी ना वो ये थी जो मैंने ऊपर वाइट पेजेस पे लिखी हुई है, ठीक है। बॉर्डर वाल इज़ अ कन्फेशन अबाउट द पोएटेस। वो अपने लवर के बारे में कन्फेस करती है कि मुझे जो है मैं अपने लवर से लव करती हूँ, तो इट्स अ कन्फेशन अबाउट द पोएटेस, ओके। एंड डिज़ायर फॉर हर lover. She is deeply in love with him. Farooq's attitude toward love was different. In her early poems, due to young girl, her concept of love was romantic and imperfect. Next देखें यहाँ से the title in a both poems, यहाँ से the title in a both poems are very important. Call to arm means a call to rise and fight, but with no violence, with courage and words. It's a call for women to stop being silent. The title border wall means the limits and restrictions that stop women from showing themselves, from showing anyone's loves for themselves. This can be rules, traditions, or even fear. Both titles are showing how the poems are about breaking free and standing up for their rights. The theme in both poems are similar. They talk about women's freedom, identity, and hope. In calls to arms, the focus is only taking action and speak up. The border wall, the focus is on how society controls women. But in both poems, the main message ये भी जो है वाइट वाला आपने बॉर्डर वॉल के अंदर ऐड करना है, ठीक है। इन द पोइम वॉल रिप्रेजेंट नॉट जस्ट सोशल रिस्ट्रिक्शन बट आल्सो द बैरियर्स बिटवीन हर एंड हर लवर. द स्पीकर वांट्स टू एक्सप्रेस हर लवर ओपनली बट कांट ड्यू टू सोसाइटी गिल्ट, फेयर एंड डिस्टेंस, ठीक है। ये आपने बॉर्डर वॉल के उसमें लिखना है कि स्टोरी किसके बारे में। ये चीज़ आपने तब ऐड करनी है जब आपने यही वाला वाइट जो पेज में पहले पढ़ के आई हूँ, जब वो लिखना है उसके बाद ये लिखना है, ठीक है। दिस इज़ वाई मैनी स्कॉलर सेज दैट पोइम इज़ अ कन्फेशन ऑफ हिडन फीलिंग्स. मेन थीम्स पे आ जाएँ. फेमिनिज्म इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थीम इन फारूक पोइट्री. In poem like Call to Arms, she speaks directly to women and tells them to fight against the roles that society forces on them. She shows how women are treated as weak, quiet, and only stayed in home Farooq says that women have feelings, dreams, and the rights to live freely. She encouraged women to break traditions, speak their truth, and not be afraid. In A Border Wall, she shows how women are trapped by rules and expectations but still have a strong desire to be free. Her poetry was bold for its time because very few women in Iran spoke like this. Through her works, she becomes voice for those women who couldn't speak for themselves. She believes that women should be equal to men in all parts of the identity is another important theme. In this theme, she talks about how women, especially women, loses their identity because of society's strict rules. In The Border Wall, she shows how women are expected to follow rules and don't match who they are. The rule hide their true thoughts, feelings, and dreams. In Call to Arms, she encouraged women to discover their real place and stop worrying about others. Farooq says that identity is not about what other wants to be, it's about what you want to be. She wants from women to remove the mask that they wear due to the fear of the man's. She also shows that how identity is connected to self-respect and confidence. Her poem send the message that you can only be happy when you accept and express your true self without the fear and judgment. Freedom is also a major theme in both Calls to Arms and The Border Wall. Farooq believes that everyone, especially women, deserve the freedom to speak, feel, think, and live the way they want. In Calls to Arms, she talks women who stop living in silence and to free themselves from social rules that keeps them powerless. She says that real freedom is not just physical, but it's mental and emotional too. The Border Wall, she shows how people leave behind invisible. These walls are made from fear, shame, tradition, and other people's opinions. Farooq poetry tells us that freedom starts inside the heart and mind. To her, freedom is the key to live a real and honest life. Inner struggle देख लें. Main theme The Border Wall. The speaker wants to be free and live honestly, but fear and shame stops her of the society. She is trapped not only by society but her own emotions. This is an example of inner conflict when a person wanted something but feel afraid or guilty of wanting something. Call to Arms, she shows how women fighting what they are told to be and what they really want to be. Farooq poetry shows the real freedom comes after facing your inner fear. To conclude, both poems are very important. She saves a voice to women. She gave a voice to the women who were kept silent. So I'm done this video. Next video तक मुझे दीजिए इजाज़त. See you soon. Allah Hafiz.